name is Mojabeng Ndebele and welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh my gosh, how sophisticated do I sound saying that? Anyway, so you're preparing for that shoot. It's your first time, or maybe you haven't been to a photo shoot in a very long time and you need a reminder. Here are 5 things that you should never leave at home when you go to a photo shoot. Your makeup kit, your foundation, black underwear, a hairbrush, and a mirror. Never go to a photo shoot without any of these 5 items.
You need your makeup kit in case the makeup artist does not pitch. You need your foundation in case the makeup artist does not have your shade of foundation. You need a mirror in case all the mirrors in the studio are occupied. You need black underwear because you do not want to miss out on shooting in any outfit just because you have colorful underwear on. You need a hairbrush because you don't want to look funky in your pictures because the stylist did not pitch.
Now let's prepare you for your photo shoot. You want to know the location of the shoot. Is it outdoor? Is it indoor? Because the aesthetics of the place will help you pack properly and get you in the right mood.
So if it's an outdoor shoot, make sure to pack a gown or a jacket just in case the weather goes south. And make sure to pack a fleece in case you have to change outside or in your car, so you can use it for cover.
The theme of the shoot is very important because you don't want to get to a bikini shoot after having a huge snack. We don't want that. It also helps you know what underwear to pick for that day. So I would always advise that you choose something as sleek and thin as this pair over here, because if you're wearing something lacy or something nude, black will always be a good undertone. Or you can choose lace. Yeah, lace is safe, but I don't know, I feel safer in these. But anyway, anything black, just black underwear is the way to go. You want to pack in a very portable suitcase or a portable sports bag, but something that you can roll around for convenience. Because the understanding is the bag will be heavy. Do your research, find out who the photographer is, and then find out who the makeup artist is. You need to know who the photographer is so that you familiarize yourself with their work. Check out the looks they like, the poses they like, what they've done, what they've achieved, you know, the kind of people they've worked with. Just do a lot of research. Go crazy on Instagram, go on their YouTube if they're on YouTube. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay. And at the end of this video, please give me a huge thumbs up. Anyway, you need to know who the photographer is because you need a lot of research so that once you are in front of the camera, you don't act awkward. Makeup artist. I think this is the most crucial person that you should look into. Most important, because face makes up everything. So like I said before, do your research, check out their looks, check out what they've done, and you know, it also gives you time to know if you are if you're into the kind of stuff that they like, and if you have a chance, or if the opportunity is there, or if it's a possibility, you can speak to whoever is in charge of your shoot or the brand manager and get them to change the makeup artist if that is allowed. Now that you know everything, it's time for you to look at yourself in the mirror and pose away.
This is where you practice to bring out your inner Tyra, your inner Naomi, your inner Bonang. Find out which gestures to do, which poses suit you best, which facial expressions look good, and most importantly, what not to do. I hope this video helps you prepare perfectly for your photo shoot. Have fun!